Hey family members, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for always sticking around. I really appreciate it. If you want to know how I went from this to this, I like to just stick around with me and see the magic I'm gonna do right now, guys. This is fake, fake. So you know how we do it, girl. Let's get this party started. So this is what my base looks like. I bought this original Swiss lace from an Instagram page I put in the description box. So I'll just go ahead and ventilate the middle part of this wig. So what I normally do, I'll just do like a free part, like 4 lines, not too long, down to the middle, because I always want to create my own part myself, because I don't really like those really harsh lines where you'll be seeing the lace popping out all over the place. So with this technique, I get to create my own center part myself, so it looks more natural when I create it myself. So right now our mini free part is ready. So I'll just go ahead and create my center part like so. With a comb, I'll just create a center part like so. So in a bit you see what I'm talking about. So the reason why I like doing this, because it looks more natural at the end of the day. So so this is what I'm talking about. It looks like real scalp, like you're not just seeing that harsh line of net all over the place. So this one now looks like real scalp. So right now I'm just going to cut out the part I want to braid on, like so, ventilate around it like a square shape, like so. So I'll just go ahead and fill up that space. So this is a little bit tricky, but it works for me. So I'll go ahead and braid in and ventilate inside. So right now I'm going to take as many hair as possible, yeah. So so I'm using a 3x4 needle, so I should be able to pick like 4 strands of hair. So just use that. This is my 3x4 needle and fill up that space. So you can see I'm leaving a lot of space in there. They're not together, so there's a lot of gap in between. You want to take as many hair as possible, guys. So I did like 4 or 5 lines and I was done. Yeah, 4 or 5 lines and I was done. So you just want to space it so well. You don't want to spend so much time just doing this particular step on this hair. So just quickly do it and make sure you're spacing it out so well. Yeah, so you just see the outcome right now, guys. So this is what it looks like. Yeah. So if someone doesn't tell you that this thing was not properly ventilated, you won't know. Yeah, so you can see inside is really scanty. Yeah, so I'll just go ahead and do the same thing to remaining hair to the back, and I'll see you in a bit.
All I wanna see is staring right in front of me. I make a mess, but you are trying to commence.
So this is our final look. We came out really well. Like, I'm really proud of myself, and I feel it took me a couple of hours, so it didn't take so much time compared to if I was to ventilate the whole lace. So I think this technique is pretty cool. You can actually use it to do your knotless braids, any kind of braids. Yeah. So if you think you like this video, please give the video a thumbs up, comment down below. Bye, thank you for watching.